In this video, we will do linear equations. 2 into x negative 3 is equal to negative 3x plus 4, and we have to find the value of x. For this, let's start. First of all, 2 is multiplying with this bracket, so 2 will multiply with this x first, 2x, and also 2 multiply with this 3, negative 6, 2 3s are 6. Now this is negative 3x and this is plus 4. Now we have to find the value of x. This is negative 3x, this is positive 3x, so we will remove x from this side to find the answer of x. And for this we have to add 3x on both sides. Let's see how. Negative 3x plus 4 adding 3x. Okay, now this is 2x, negative 6, and also add 3x in this side because this is removed. We have to find the x, so this is removed, and after that we have 4 over here. This is 2x, this is 3x, these are positive, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5x. Now negative 6. Now you have to remove this 6. For this 5x, negative 6, this is negative, we will do positive 6 on both sides. This is 4 and this is plus 6. Now you can see that this is positive, this is negative, this is cut off. We have 5x is equal to 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now remove this 5 from this x. For this 5x, dividing with x on 5 on both sides. Okay, for this you can see that this is 5, this is 5 cancel, this is x. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, this is 2. Okay, 2 over 1, when denominator is 1, there is no value of this one, so answer of x is this, is equal to 10. Your answer is 2. We have another question. 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 5x negative 9, and find the value of x. For this, first of all, simplify this. 2 will multiply this x, and after that 2 will multiply this 3. So 2x plus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 5x negative 9. You can see that this is 5x, this is 2x. First of all, remove x from one side. This is 2x positive, this is 5x positive. This is 2 is less, so we will do negative. What we will do? 5x negative 9, and this is 2x plus 6. Now subtracting negative 2x on both sides, and this will cut off. Negative 2x plus 2x cut off, this is 6, and now 5x negative, this is negative 2, this is negative 5x, so this is 3x negative 9. Now we have to remove this 9 from this x. For this, subtracting negative 9x, adding 9x on both sides. This is 3x, this is negative 9, this is 6, adding 9x on both sides, this is 9, this is 9, this is on both sides, this is 9 will be cut off. Now you have 3x, and this is 6 plus 9, that is equal to 15. Now we have a situation right now. 3x is equal to 15. For this, dividing with 3 on both sides, you will get the answer of x. 3x, 3x cancel, this is x, and this is 3, 3 5s are. Okay, the 3 5s are 15. This is 5. This is the answer of x. You can easily find the answer of x in this type of question. We have another question. Negative 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 3x negative 9. So this is the situation. First of all, we will change this into simple in equation, like negative 2 will multiply with first x. This is negative 2x. Okay, now this 2 will multiply with this. This is negative 4. 2 2s are 4, and this is plus, this is negative, it will be negative. So this is 3x negative 9, and after that you can see that this is plus 3x, this is negative 2x. We have to remove one x from any side, so this x will be removed. How? Let's see. Negative 2x negative 4 is equal to 3x negative 9, and what we have to do, this is negative 2x, we will add plus 2x on both sides. This is, now this is negative, this is positive, it will be cancelled. This is negative 4 over here. Now this is plus 3x, this is plus 3x, this is 5x negative 9, and after that we have to remove this 9. For this we have to do negative 9 plus 9 on both sides. This is negative 4 plus 9 on both sides, and because this is cancelled, this is cancelled. This is 5x, and this is positive, this is negative. Negative 4 plus 9, in their difference is 5, and this is positive 5. So we have 5x is equal to 5. To remove this 5, we have to divide with 5 this value and also on this side. This 5 will be cancelled, this is cancelled, this is x, this is 5 ones are 5. So your answer of this question is 1. It is very simple if you know how to solve it. Now we have a question, negative 2 into 3x plus negative 4 is equal to 4 into 2x plus 5. So find the answer of x. For this, multiply negative 2 with this bracket. This is negative 6x, because 2 3s are 6 and x, and this is negative sign. So this is plus, because negative multiply negative is plus. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now 4 multiply with this 2, this is 8x, and plus 4 multiply with this 5, this is 20. 4 5s are 20. Now after that we have to remove any x from any side. So this is plus 8x, this is negative x. We will remove this negative 6x. For this, 8x plus 20, this is negative 6x plus 8, adding plus 6x on both sides. This is plus 6, because this is negative and we added 6x on both sides. Here 8, and this is 8x plus, and this is 6x plus. Now combine these values, this is 14x plus 20. Okay. Now we have to remove this 20 from this side. For this, 14x plus 20, and this is negative 20. Subtracting negative 20 on both sides. Here, this is cut off, this is negative, this is positive, cut off. Now we have 14x, and this is 12, negative 12. Okay, negative 12. Now for this is 14x, and this is negative 12, and we have to find the answer of x. For this, dividing with 14x on both sides, because we have to find the x. So negative 12 over 14. This 14 will be cut off, this is x, and this is negative. 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14. This is negative 6 over 7. So your answer is in fraction, this is negative 6 over 7. This is the answer. I hope so you got the idea, clear idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you once again. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe.